Today we're going to talk how to change the fuse in your outlet extension and the cable. Okay, let's get started. I got the plug here from this extension outlet. We're going to see what is inside it. Need to always make sure the rating of the fuse is the same what you replace. That would show you the indication on the back how much voltage it supports. This is 30 amps, it goes to sockets. That's 3120 watts. Okay. See on the sides, got 3 cables here. Yellow green, that's your F, so protects you from any shock. Goes to F. This is the neutral, and see the life here. It's connected to fuse. You can see that here. Look at that. See that cable? Connection goes together. Okay. That's your holder of the fuse. This is the cable. What you need to take is this out. Okay, that's your 13 amp. Take any new one. You see discoloration on the fuse. That means it had blown. This is 13 amp. Not all basically cables will have 30 amps. This is outlet. You can try it. That one here. Make sure there's no any loose connection. Okay. The cables are properly connected, and the fuse as well. There will be no fuse here. You won't get power. You can see that is connected to the hot wire itself. All you need to do is back. That's your cable. And another one. Yep. It's tight. Enough. But not as tight, so you won't break the wiring inside here. Okay, I think that's enough. I got here, and then you put that one last screw here. And that's job here done. Okay. The other you probably see how the fuses are changed. They have a special socket, so you don't need to ask for anything. It's easier to change it. Just need to lift this up. This is your fuse holder. Okay. This one is 5 amps. So it will be load is less basically. What is supported is 200 or to multiply 5 amps to get the voltage. Other things you could see probably on in this lamp. See there are 2 connections only. We've got a fuse here. Okay. There's no earth connection, that's why this one is loose. comes like that, which is not safe. You don't have an earth connection here. That's your lamp basically. So I'll show you the fuse itself. This one is 3 amps. So yeah, for the lamp itself you don't need as much. It's understandable why it's 3 amps here. Okay. And yeah, that's pretty much what you need to look for. Okay, now show you the box. Let's connect that. Right, as soon as we connect it, we have LED indication power is on. Let's connect the lamp. Okay. And our lamp on too. Okay, that's simple as that. Thanks guys for watching, and if you want to see any more videos coming, please subscribe, and see you next time.